Hello everyone. Welcome to the June 2019 Happy Mail haul. Cards that you guys sent to my P.O. box in the month of June. I'm very behind. Usually I try to get these up filmed earlier. Life's been crazy. Anywho, the June theme was thank you cards or like teacher, like school's out themed cards. Never stickler on the themes as always. All the info about like themes, the address, etc. in the description box below, as well as on my blog. On my blog there's more, and I have a direct link to that. And then, yeah, I think that's enough of the disclaimers this time. I always have my Happy Mail hauls, but yes, all the cards that got sent, regardless whether they meet the theme or not, I'm not a big stickler because me being in Canada, cards can sometimes take some time, especially international ones, to get here, so I'm not a big stickler. So this one's from Stephanie in Germany. I really like this color combo, like blue and gold and white, and it just really pretty. And I love how flat it is. Like, yeah, the envelope was all gorgeous. I love the postage stamps. I love international postage stamps. I used to collect postage stamps back in the day, like when I was like 11. So, oh, and I just noticed now it says to Amy Rysavy. Neat way of doing that. I love it. I love when you guys decorate the envelopes. And this is made out of like cardstock, like it's heavyweight. So I like that too. So yeah, just a really gorgeous card. And the color, and the coloring is fabulous, but gold splatter always gets me. Really pretty. So I have that one. And then we have this one from Cindy in Quebec, and this one too. The envelope was all decorated. I thought the envelope was adorable. I love when you guys decorate the envelopes. I don't do that enough, but it's so fun, and especially when things are glued to the envelopes and like it arrives just fine, you know. So really cute little apple shaker card. I love that you said the sentiment, this cork sentiment, it was a bag that had jewelry and anthropology. Anthropology. Oh. The closest one is quite a few hours away from here, but I always like to go in there and like touch everything because I love it. And that's really neat. There's like sparkle in it. So great way to kind of reuse some products, and it just kind of ties in with everything. So it's just adorable. Just adorable. So I've got that one. I'll just like start setting them here because I like to take a picture in the end. And then I've got these two from Gloria. These are larger cards. We've got cute little like gnomes. And then we have this really fun, really textured background with these cute little birds. Really fun. So I've got those. And then I've got this one from Karen in Washington. All like fish themed. I like how these bubbles are done. Like very, like a neat layout. And it just works. I really like that. So yeah, really cute. It looks so dimensional, and yet it's all just like ink blending. Really fun. So got that one. And then I've got this one from Terry. And this was for the May theme. But like I said, I'm not a big stickler. This is her first time sending a card for the Happy Mail. I think it's so much fun because it's... I've been meaning to use the honeybee record, like the wafer dies and everything, to do a card very similar to this. I just haven't had a chance, and yeah. And I love that there's, you know, extra little records inside. I just think that's so cute. It's funny because I was literally I had it all planned out in my head. I just haven't had a chance. So yeah, I like the idea of adding like the MFT has these circle sentiments. I wouldn't even have thought of that add to it. Like, how fun is that? Isn't that fun? Love that. So we've got that one. And then I have this one from Candace. Just really like love the texture, and sentiment's gorgeous too. So yeah, texture and the shine on the wheels. Isn't that fun? So I've got that one from Candace. And then I have this one from Wendy in California, and it like custom like envelope to go with it. Another large card. Really fun. Really fun. That one very, yeah, like it's kind of school themed with like the paper and the stationery. And then last but certainly not least, I have this one from Mary. or Marie probably. Pretty sure these are alcohol inks, all like shimmery. Such a magpie, the shimmer just always gets me every single time. And then some stacked die cuts. Love it, love it. So yeah, that was the June Happy Mail haul. Like I said in the beginning, there will be info in the description box below. There'll be all the info on my blog as well, which is also linked if you guys want to check it out. For those that are watching, if you have comments or questions or anything, you know, send some love to the people that sent cards in. You can leave those in the comments below so that they can see them. Loads of fun. So I apologize again for getting this up so late. It's been a little bit nuts. But yeah, I look forward to doing these every single month. I love showing off what you guys are making because it's neat to see, you know, and to see like postmarks from like all over the world is just crazy to me. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye.